On your mark, get set, go!
Okay, I'm gonna win. Are you alright, baby?
Keep coming.
But honey, are you okay? Poor baby.
Well, that race didn't go very well.
Did you get it on video?
I think I did.
That's hilarious. Look at the FEMA pet. Oh my gosh.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Baby's getting collected.
Walk this way.
Alright, well, on one. Oh, okay. Just your pride. I think we have to find a new spot and do it again. Okay. So I can win. So Randy can win. Where's a new spot? Let's just start from right here. Well, if I didn't fall, I'd win. Yeah, you would have. Okay, right here. Come stand right here. And we can run toward him. Because that's about as long as I could last. Okay. Wait. I can't get my pole. Okay. I'm just going to fall down again. I don't want to. Okay.
On your mark, get set, go!
You're the winner.